Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about double integrals. So now I will show you how to answer. For this one, this is about parabola. And we have the formula in here, y equal to as squared. Because this one touch on 0, 0, that's why we don't have b in here. So when s equal to negative number 1, y equal to number 4, so we can find about capital A in here. So if we simplify and we got about 4 equals to capital A, so the formula of this blue one in here, that is about y equal to 4s squared. Now let's go to the red line in here. To find about the red line, we have the points in here. The formula of this one, that's about y equal to as plus b. To calculate about a, we can use about the slope. So that is about delta y over delta s. And I will choose the point in here. So we have 20 minus 4 over 0 minus negative number 1 in here. So we calculate about this one and you got about 16. So capital A equals to number 16. Now I will choose about this point here because we have number 0. When s equal to number 0, y equal to number 20. So we put number 0 in here. And y in here, that's about number 20. So if we simplify and you got about b equals to number 20. So y in here equals to 16s plus 20. Now we go to the green one. So we apply the same formula in here. So we choose this point and this point. So we have number 16 minus 20 over number 2 minus 0. We calculate about this one and we have negative number 2. So capital A equal to negative number 2. So I will choose the point 0, 20. That means we put number 0 in here. B equal to number 20. So the green line, that's about y equal to negative 2s plus 20. And now we put all the formula go in here. After we got the equation, the red, the green, and the blue one, now we need to set up the bounds for the region in here. Because we need to divide this one into two regions. That's about R number 1 and R number 2. Because this red line is different the green line in here. That's why we have two regions. So the first one, we have dy. So we see that y between 4s squared and 16s plus 20. So while the blue one is about the bottom, the red one is about the upper, and this is about the lower in here. So we put 4x squared in here. And the next one should be about 16x plus 20. About the x, they start at negative number 1 and they stop at number 0 in here. So that should be about from negative number 1 to positive to number 0. And R number 2, we see that between 4x squared and negative 2x plus 20. So the bounds of dy in here, we have 4x squared to negative 2x plus 20. About the x, they start at number 0 and they stop at number 2 in here. So the bound of the x from 0 to number 2. And now we need to calculate about 2 double integrals in here. Now I will go to the first one. So we just have only dy. If we do this integration in here, we have y, and we put the bounds from 16x plus 20 and 4x squared in here. So I will put this one go for y and 4x squared go in here. And we will have about 16x plus 20 minus 4x squared everything dx. And now the integration of x, we have x squared over 2. This one is about the constant, we have 20x. This one we have x to the power of 3 over 3. And then we put the bounds from 0 or from negative number 1 to number 0. And now we put number 0 go in here, negative number 1 go in here, and we have the final answer. And we have 32 over 3. Now let's go to the second one. We do the same technique. And we will have about negative 2x plus 20 plus 4x squared dx. So the integration of x, we have x squared over 2. This one we have 20x. This is negative, not positive, because we need to minus the bottom. So the next one is about x to the power of 3 over 3. And we put the bounds from 0 to number 2. So I will put number 2 go in here, number 0 go in here. And we have the final answer. So we have 76 over 3. Now we combine this one and this one. And we have the final answer. That is about 36. This is the end. Thank you for watching.